All right, guys, we're going Mexican. I love some Southwest. I love me some Rick Bayless. The dude's a genius. We're gonna go right now with Mexican-style shrimp cocktail. So stick around, because we're about to get wild with some wild shrimp. Woo! Good Paleo. True to form in the Paleo test kitchen, we got the scale out and we're gonna find out exactly how much this shrimp weighs. 15.2 ounces, we'll call that 1 pound. And this is some wild mini shrimp. We're gonna use these today, but you can use any kind of shrimp. And then we're gonna create essentially a ketchup, if you will. The Mexicans, they use ketchup to start their cocktail sauce in pretty much every situation I've seen. All right, guys, so little makeshift ketchup. I'm out of tomato sauce. I don't know what to do. Am I gonna run to the store? No, I'm gonna use some tomato paste. We're gonna reconstitute it with a little chicken stock. So go 2 healthy tablespoons there. Little chicken stock here. Mac Daddy whisk. Now it's maybe a little thin, but that's gonna be okay. Little Worcestershire in there. 1, 2, 3.